What if I told you there are creators posting simple videos with AI-generated music, getting thousands, even millions of views without recording, producing, or buying any music? And the craziest part? Most people still don't know how easy this actually is, so I tested a tool called InsMelo to see if I could go from idea to full song to published content in just a few minutes. And I'm not gonna lie, this feels kind of broken.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
So here's exactly what I did. I typed late night drive, neon lights, chill vibe, clicked generate, and in a few seconds, I had a full track.
Fast and furious. Fast and furious. We don't slow down tonight.
Now watch this part. I downloaded the song, dropped it straight into a short form video, and instantly I had custom background music that actually matched the vibe.
And I know you will. Fast and furious. Fast and furious. We don't slow down tonight. Fast and furious.
No copyright issues, no searching for hours, just idea to music to content. And you can do this for YouTube videos, TikTok or Reels, gaming background music, even custom songs for friends or clients. This is where it becomes useful, not just generating, but actually using it immediately. Now let me show you something even better. I took a cinematic night image, uploaded it, and InsMelo generated music based on that exact scene. Then I did this, downloaded the track, added it to my edit, and suddenly it felt like a movie scene. Same visuals, completely different impact. This is perfect for cinematic edits, travel content, gaming clips, storytelling videos, because what makes content stand out is simple, the feeling, and when your music perfectly matches your visuals, people actually stay and watch. Now here's why this actually matters. Let's say you're posting short-form content. Instead of using trending sounds like everyone else, you create your own. Now your content becomes unique, reusable, and completely copyright-free. Some creators are already doing this by posting looped music clips, turning them into aesthetic videos, and building entire pages around that style. Even simple formats like POV plus music plus visuals can pull serious views if the audio hits right. And the advantage? You're not relying on trends anymore. You're creating your own sound. Now here's something I didn't expect. One of the tracks I made was good, but it didn't fit the length of my video. So instead of starting over, I extended the track inside InsMelo to match my video perfectly. No editing software, no complicated tools. Just adjust, download, done. This is huge because you adapt the music to your content instead of adjusting your content to fit the music. And that saves a lot of time when you're creating consistently. And this is where things get interesting. I took a track, changed the voice into a funny cartoon-style voice, and turned it into a short-form video. Think about those viral TikToks where a funny voice sings something unexpected or a character-style voice tells a story. That's exactly the kind of content you can create here. It's easy to produce, highly engaging, and different from everything else, which is why this type of content spreads so fast.
It's all about you, girl, on your 16th birthday.
Well, about you, girl, on the 16th birthday. You better dance to the you, girl. There's one that you just you say.
So yeah, InsMelo isn't just a music generator. It's a way to turn ideas into actual content, create faster, and stand out without worrying about copyright. If you want to try it, links in the description. And if you've got ideas for what I should create next using this, drop them in the comments.